Hi, how are you? My name is Jorge Moreno from Grow Your Finances, and in this video I'm gonna show you and explain you the actual situation of Solain and my personal opinion, okay? So it's important to watch the full video, and if you want, you can share this video with your community. Okay, so this is the video content. First, I'm gonna give you some general tips, then we're gonna analyze the official announcement, then I'm gonna show you what I think that it's gonna happen with Solain and what I'm gonna do with my account. Okay, so this is the official announcement of Solain. Well, Soca, they changed the name, and if you can see here, if you have a balance within $1,000, you need to recharge $50, okay? And if you have $1,001 to $10,000, you need to recharge $100, okay? So they want you to invest more, okay? So in that way they can left with more money. Please, everyone can do whatever he want, but my recommendation is not invest more, okay? Not reactivate your account, because you don't know, it's not secure that they are gonna give you the money that you are gonna withdraw, okay? Okay, so these are the general tips, okay? The first one is do not get angry, okay? We are all adults here who make their own decisions based on their criteria, and no one forces anyone to do anything, okay? The second point is do not invest more in Solain, okay? We need to wait to see how everything goes to take action, and then we can see if we invest more or we left of Solain, okay? The third one is be patient. Be patient, okay? We need to wait, like I said. We need to wait to see what I'm gonna do, okay? The third one is diversify, okay? If you want to diversify, that is an important point in the investments. You need to diversify to be more secure of your capital, okay? If you want to diversify and be aware of everything and enter to the right business in the right moment, I'm gonna put a link of my WhatsApp group in the description, and there I'm gonna show you new business to invest, okay? Then we have what I think that it's gonna happen, okay? In my experience, I think that they want you to invest more capital to then left they with more money, okay? They wanna rob you. The third one is what I'm gonna do with my account, okay? I'm not gonna continue with Solain because I know the way that they works, and I'm gonna share that with my community because I know that it's not secure. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you liked the video and it has been useful to you. If you want, you can share it with your community, so that in that way they're gonna be aware of the current situation of Solain, okay? I'd be more than glad if you give me a like and a subscription. Have a nice day.